Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lema Dental Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. If you've ever noticed a hole in your tooth, you might be wondering how to fix it and what's the best treatment options are. In today's video, we're sharing expert advice on how to deal with a cavity or a hole in your tooth and the steps you should take to ensure oral health stays in top condition. So what causes a hole in your tooth? First, let's understand what are the causes of a hole in your tooth. The most common cause is tooth decay, which occurs when a plaque, a sticky film of bacteria builds up on your teeth. These bacteria produces acids that eat away the enamel and the outer layer of your tooth. Over time, the acid can create cavities and holes in your tooth. If left untreated, cavities can worsen, leading up to pain, infection, or even tooth loss. So why you shouldn't ignore a hole in your tooth? Now you might think that a small hole isn't a big deal, but it's crucial not to ignore it. Even small cavities can grow over time, leading to more extensive damage, increased pain, and higher treatment costs. If a cavity goes untreated, it can lead to a root infection, abscesses, or other serious issues that could require more invasive treatments like a root canal or even a tooth extraction. That's why it's important to address the problem as soon as you notice it. How to fix a hole in your tooth? So, how do you fix a hole in your tooth? The most common treatment is a filling. When you visit the dentist, they will first clean out the decayed portion of your tooth and then fill the hole with a material designed to restore the tooth structure. There are different types of material used for fillings, such as composite fillings. These are tooth-colored and blend slimly with your natural teeth. Amalgam fillings. These are silver-colored and are often used for the back teeth due to their strength and durability. Gold or porcelain fillings. These are the long-lasting but are usually more expensive. The types of fillings your dentist recommends will depend on the size of the cavity and the location of the tooth and your personal preference. Other treatment options for larger holes. So for larger holes, cavities or teeth are significantly more damaged. The type of filling your dentist recommends will depend on the size of the cavity and the location of your tooth and your personal preference. So treatment options for larger holes. For larger cavities or teeth that are significantly damaged, a filling might not be enough. In these cases, your dentist may recommend a dental crown, a crown that covers the entire tooth and provides extra protection and strength, especially if the tooth has been weakened or decayed. For teeth with more extensive damage, a root canal may be necessary before placing a crown, as this treatment removes the infected tissue from the inside the tooth. So, prevention is a key. How to avoid cavities. Of course, the best way to fix a hole in your tooth is to prevent it from happening in the first place. Here are some tips to keep your health healthy and cavity-free. So brush your teeth twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. Floss daily to remove plaque from between your teeth. Limit sugary food and drinks which might fuel the bacteria and cause cavities. Visit your dentist regularly for checkups and professional cleaning. By taking good care of your tooth, you can avoid the pain and expense of cavities altogether. So why choose Lema Dental Clinic for your dental care? At Lema Dental Clinic, we are dedicated to providing high-quality care for your dental needs. Whether you have a small cavity or require more advanced treatments, our team of experts will help you restore your smile and maintain your oral health. We use the latest technology and materials to ensure your treatment is effective, comfortable, and long-lasting. So if you've noticed a hole in your tooth or are concerned about a cavity, don't wait to seek treatment. Early intervention is key to preventing further damage. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a consultation, feel free to reach out to us at Lema Dental Clinic. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you achieve a healthy, beautiful smile.